Hey, I'm Boot Scoot and Becky, and we're going to be learning Miles on It. This is a 4-wall, 32 count improver dance by Okuda. He even won an award for this dance. It's one of my favorites. I absolutely love to teach this dance and dance this dance. So come learn with me. So I'm going to do a quick demo and then we'll break it down into the individual 8 counts. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel, rock forward and back. Right, left, right, left. Side, rock, behind side, cross. Side, rock, behind side, cross. Heel, grind, coaster with a hop. Hip swivels, step, pivot, shuffle. Step, pivot, hop, hop. And then we'd go right back into the heel and heel, rock forward and back. Okay, so for the first 8 counts, we're going to be doing heel switches. To start, your weight's on your left. You're going to take your right foot, your heel's going to come out, and then when you bring it back, you're simultaneously going to kick your left heel out. And then when you bring your left heel out, you're going to simultaneously then rock your weight forward on your right foot. And then recover on your left. The second part of that 8 count, we're doing pony steps, which is like a triple step. You can get as fancy, hoppy with it as you want, ride a hobby horse, I don't care. I'm very bouncy, so I tend to be much more bouncy than the rest of the room. So you can keep your feet as close to the ground or off the ground as you want. So we rock forward, recover, then we go right, left, and then left, right, left. That's your first 8 count. Weights on your left, heel switches on your right in 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel, rock forward and back. Right, left, left. Let's do that with counts. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Now for the second 8 count, we're going to be doing what's called side rock, behind side cross, starting with the right. Then we're going to mirror image it on the left, side rock, behind side cross. So 4 counts to the right, 4 counts to the left. We just finished those pony steps. Our weight's on our left and we're up on our right toe. We're going to take our right foot and step out to the side, rock your weight on your right foot, then recover on your left, bring your right foot behind, left side, right cross. Hence the behind side cross. Now we're going to mirror image. Take your left foot, rock your weight left, recover right, bring your left foot behind, right foot side, left foot cross. So let's do that all together. Just finish the pony steps, weights in your left, toe up on your right. Take your right out to the side. Side, rock, behind side, cross, side, rock, behind side, cross. We'll do that again with counts. Weights in your left, stepping with your right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So let's add that to the top with your heel switches and your rock forward and back and your pony steps into our side rock, behind side crosses. Weights in your left, we're doing heel switches on our right. In 5, 6, 7, and 8. Heel and heel, rock forward and back. Right, left, left. Side rock, behind side cross. Side rock, behind side cross. Okay, now we're ready for the third 8 count. Weights, your left foot is across your right. We're going to be doing a heel grind, or some people like to say smash the bug. You're going to take your right foot, step out with your heel, grind quarter turn to our right into a coaster step. If you've never done a coaster step, it's just 3 quick little steps. We're going to take our right foot back, left foot next to it, then our right foot comes forward. And then on beat 5, we're going to hop, hip swivel 6, 7, and 8. So we have a heel grind, coaster, into a hop, hip swivels. Okay, so the beginning of the third count, your left is over your right foot. We're going to heel grind with our right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel grind, coaster step with a hop, hip swivels. Let's do that with counts. Left over right, heel grinding on our right foot. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, let's put that from the top. Weights on your left, heel switches on your right. In 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel, rock forward and back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Side, rock, behind side cross. Side, rock, behind side cross. Heel, grind, coaster with a hop. Hip swivels. Now we're ready for the final and fourth 8 count. We just finished our hip swivels. We're going to do a step pivot shuffle, starting with our right foot. Step. Now we're going to half turn pivot to the 9 o'clock wall and shuffle. Right, left, right. Next we have another step pivot, but starting with our left foot. Step, half turn pivot back to 3 o'clock wall. And instead of doing a shuffle, we're going to hop, hop. If you can't hop, hop, that's totally okay. You can end the dance out with a left, right, left shuffle if you wanted to. Okay? So we just finished our hip swivels for the 3rd count end. Now we're going into that 4th count. We step, pivot, shuffle, step, pivot, hop, hop. Let's do that with counts. In 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that's the end of the dance. But it goes right back into that hop, hop. Heel switches, heel and heel, rock forward and back. So that's where some people can get tripped up. Finishing out the dance, hop, hop, and then getting right back into those heel switches. Let's do the whole thing from the top, facing 12 o'clock. Weights on your left, starting with the right. Heel switches in 5, 6, 7, 8. Heel and heel, rock forward and back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Side, rock, behind side cross. Side, rock, behind side cross. Heel, grind, coaster with a hop. Hip swivels. Step, pivot, shuffle. Step, pivot, hop, hop. Then heel and heel, rock forward and back. Right, left, right, left, right, left. Side, rock, behind side cross. Side, rock, behind side cross. Heel, grind, coaster with a hop. Hip swivels. Step, pivot, shuffle, step, pivot, hop, hop. So that's Miles on It for the tutorial. See my other YouTube video for the Miles on It demo, where you can just dance it out with me to the music. And looking forward to doing more videos with you.